Okay, so for my project, I obviously was doing the PC parts store. I'm going to do a quick demo real quick. So first, let's start things off by actually getting this running. So we're going to obviously run node, blah, 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 then run the index.js. Get that port up and running. Alright, so that's going to bring us over here to our fancy, very fancy website. But beforehand, I'll just kind of show a quick glimpse of the database that I'm going off of right now. I haven't added any other products since I did during my demonstration, just because of time constraints and focusing on other classes as well. So this is the database right now. So we've obviously have the processors here in this area, the GPUs, the RAM, the cases, the power supplies, not processors, and the motherboards. As you can see, it lists the name and then the price, just really basic stuff. So kind of swapping back over to the website side of things. So we can ask for a user ID, which as you can see, I've done a few already. So we'll just say Chris, hit submit. It's going to welcome the user, or myself, I guess, to the page. In doing so, you now have, well, you had the option before previously, if you didn't want to like sign in or anything, to just go to the products. So we can look at the processors, and then through here you can see that we have a list of all of the processors, the name of it, which we've taken from the database over here. So for example, choose processor, Intel 9th gen, i3 9350K, and then I just have two hyphens separating the name from the price, which we've pulled from right here. So all that info is just tossed right over here. And then it splits it into the Intel processors and the AMD processors. Right now, I don't currently have the cart function implemented, so it just kind of sends them to an HTML page saying that it was successfully added to the cart. So for example, we want to go with something really fancy, so we're going to do that, and then we would hit go. So eventually what I plan on doing is having that actually add it to a cart and then save that, you know, object and then the price of that object just from taking it from the database. But as you can see, we can just navigate through all of the whatchamacallums, the categories, and I just actually noticed that for some reason when you click on motherboards, you don't have access to the cases. All of these will work for the most part. Clicking on any of these and then go will add it to the cart. I'm just going to kind of do that real quick just to kind of show you what's happening. I lied. The motherboard one apparently does not. I think I forgot to implement that JavaScript in there. But all of the other ones will in fact work. That's more or less all that I've got for this. Obviously, you know, contact information is right there. Yeah, but other than that, that's about all I've been able to get done at the moment, just because I've been super busy with everything else. But that is in fact my project, and that's my cat.